Now let us see how we can define the infinity for loop. As we have already discussed about the syntax of infinity for loop, and here we will have a sample example. So we are taking three integer variable n1, n2 and sum, and this is how we can define the infinity for loop, where we will have no initializer and no increment decrement and no condition check. It will simply ask to input the two number and we will print the sum of two number, and we will ask whether you want to continue or not. So enter 1 to for another calculation. As we have taken the choice in our previous example, we will simply take the choice value and we will come out from the loop based on the given choice. So 1 for another calculation, otherwise it will terminate the application. So this is how we can define the infinity for loop, and this is a very simple example by the help of which we can create an endless statements in our program, and when we want to exit, we will simply exit by giving the defined value. Now let us run the application. So it is asking enter two number, press 1 for another calculation, otherwise it will exit from this program. So this is how we can work with infinity for loop, and if we are defining CLR SCR inside this, then after calculating it will keep on clearing the screen and you will feel like it is a kind of application that is working So that's all. Thank you so much.